Alright, so we are here at one of my favorite locations in the world. Gonna do some catfishing today. Got my kayak. My truck broke down, so I had to improvise. So, but yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I think I'm at this major creek into the Red River. I'm gonna go down where it meets the river to the mouth, and I think it's gonna be pretty good down there. Right now the floodgates are open, so a lot of water is coming in. I think a lot of those big catfish are gonna, make their way up in there. So let's see how it goes. All right, almost loaded up. Oh, I got using a fresh shad today. I caught yesterday. Well, that bag didn't last very long. The only negative side about today is I lost my kayak paddle, so this is my paddle. It's definitely not ideal, but should get it done either way. Alright, so I've been paddling probably about half a mile now. Man, this was not the best idea without my kayak paddle. I'll tell you, it's a lot of work. And the wind's blowing right in my face pretty hard. And I still got quite a ways to go. But it should be worth it when I get there. Alright, I'm almost to the mouth. Just right up there. So I'm not actually going to fish from my kayak. I'm going to find a spot on the bank and get out. This was just to get me here. So yeah, we'll see if we can't find a good spot. Alright, I think I found my spot. I wanted to go further out and set up, but there's not really any spots from the bank because it's all flooded. There's a little bit of current over there still. But this is a partial part of the current. The big river's over there, and it's kind of swirling out here, and it's going to kind of backwash this way. So I'm thinking this is going to have some depth to it, and I'm hoping, there's fish moving up through there, coming through here. So we'll see how it goes. Time to get set up. Just got all the poles in the water. I got two over here fishing off this current. By casting out there, I realized there's a pretty big drop off coming right off here, so I think that's going to be money. I did just get a bite on one of these poles over here, just a nibble. So I got my team catfish circle hooks on, so they'll hook themselves when they're ready. So let's see how it goes. A pretty good bite on this one here. Definitely been seeing some bait action, some bait jumping right off here. Pretty good size, look like gizzard shad. And there's been some monster gator gar hitting the top. But sadly I wasn't able to find any carp to shoot to sling them out there. So I feel like I definitely would have caught a big one had I been able to do that, but it's all good. Pretty good fish. Oh yeah, first fish on. Definitely not no baby. Not huge, but oh, okay, maybe it is huge. Oh, whoo, yep, it's a good fish, man. Oh man, sucker is a lunk. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Keep them out of these trees. Come on, come on, big fella. Come on. Oh man, that is a beast. Did not take long. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, no, out of the trees, out of the trees. Come on. Come on. Out of the trees. Come on. Come on, big fella. There we go. Woo! That is a toad. Come on. No, no, no. Come on. Come on. Apparently he just wants to go that way. Come on. Away from the thorns. Of course, can't bring my net or fish grips. Come on. Come on. Look at this pig, y'all. Look at this pig. Oh, man. What a first fish of the day. Oh, God, I got to text my buddy Trey. Whew. Probably every bit of 35, 40. Somewhere in that vicinity. Man, what a pig. I'm telling you, that's crazy. So I don't have my scale, so I can't really get a exact weight on it, but we'll get the measurements. We can calculate it when we get home. Alright, stay still. Come on, we'll get you in the water soon, I promise. So we're looking at 40 inches. See if we can get a girth. Look at about 26 inches around. What a stud, y'all. What a freaking stud. Oh, I took my finger with them. Bye-bye, big boy. Yes. All right. Heavy. Got that head shake. Whew. Go. Oh. Come on, big nasty. See how big it is. here. Oh, he just broke off. God. Man. Damn it. I've had a fish just sitting on this one this whole time. Apparently. And it ain't a bad one either. Ooh, flathead. Awesome. Look at that little guy. That's like a nice looking little flatty. Getting a little bit of a pull on this one. The way it's pulling seems like a good sized fish. They've been biting real slow today. No just big monstrous takedowns. Just slow pulls for the most part. He's still nibbling on it. Got it in his mouth. Spiked me up. He's on there. Feels like a pretty good fish. I gotta keep away from all these trees. Come on. Come this way. Don't get in the trees. Nope, nope, get out of the trees. No, come on. He's all up in the trees. I can still feel him on there. Come on, come on, come on. Get off there. No. No. Oh, God. God. That's some defeat. That's two tanks in a row I just lost. Oh, it hurts. He swam right for those trees. I tried to keep him out of them. Oh, God. Man, that sucks. I can't even begin to describe to you this just horrible, crappy feeling I have right now. Just two monsters. One of them is just my own dumb fault. I tried to horse him a little bit too much right here on the bank, and the other one I couldn't stop him. I tied my drag and he barreled right for that tree, and man, it was the way it was biting. It seemed like it was probably a pretty good sized flathead. You know, because a lot of times they don't run with it, they just sit there and chew on it. That's all he was doing. So yeah, pretty disappointing. I didn't bring enough hooks, so I'm out of extra hooks. So if I break off any more, I'm going to be down a pole. But it's getting close to that time anyway. Just got a couple hours left before I need to start heading back. So hopefully I'll get another chance. You know, do I deserve it? Probably not, but you know, hopefully I get another chance at another big one. We can see if we can get them. about to move spots, so I'm gonna start getting these poles in while I'm waiting on that one to bite. Alright, so I decided to head back towards the truck. I'm already regretting this decision, but I just thought, well, you know, I already had a chance of 3 monsters in the same spot. What are the odds of there being another one? But after heading this way and realizing that there's like nowhere to even fish on this bank, I don't have any anchors, so I don't know. Just gotta find the first spot I can find where I can actually get on shore and fish there, I guess. We'll see. Alright, so this new spot hasn't really been producing. Got some bites, a couple nibbles on almost every pole, but nothing big, no takedowns. So I'm gonna pack up. Maybe I'll find another spot. I might be done for the day. I'm almost out of bait, and it's getting close to dark, and it's pretty cold. So we'll see if something jumps out of me. But row your boat. Oh man, I wish I had my kayak paddle. This is terrible. Yeah. So today turned out to be kind of a, I don't know, it was a weird day. It was kind of exciting, it was also disappointing at the same time. Only caught 2 fish. You know, I missed those 2 big ones. What are you gonna do? You know, I went from potentially having an amazing day catfishing to having, you know, it was a good day. I mean, can't complain about catching a fish the size that I caught. So yeah, that's good. Definitely learned some stuff I need to do next time. If I'm fishing from the bank, I need to have some bigger leaders. I think I was using 30-pound leaders, which is fine if I'm fishing from the yak, because the fish can drag me around all day. I don't have to worry about it breaking. But if I'm fishing from the shore, I gotta force those fish sometimes. You know, I gotta use a bigger leader. But you live and you learn. Sucks. What are you gonna do? So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe while you're here. I'm gonna have a lot of good stuff coming up.